Hello dear traders, today is the 15th of February, the first trading day of the week. You're watching Daily Financial News with me, Anna Kasatkina. The Japanese yen edged lower versus its US counterpart during the Asian trading session, as worse than expected GDP figures published earlier in the day indicated that Japan's economy suffered a contraction in the final quarter of 2015. Following the release of the disappointing data, the US dollar firmed against the Japanese currency, despite the fact that American markets are closed on Monday in observance of President's Day. However, the market holiday did not keep the world's leading currency from leaving its Japanese peer behind. The dollar-yen pair picked up the strength, reaching 113.83 on Monday. Currency strategists expect the greenback to extend gains in today's deals. The currency is most likely to put in a strong trading performance this week. Last Friday, the US dollar appreciated versus the Japanese yen on upbeat retail sales statistics for January. US retail sales increased 0.2% in the past month, up from the initially reported 0.1% gain printed in December. The latest string of soft economic reports from Japan, confirming fears of a slowdown in the country, also added steam to the greenback's recovery. Japan's gross domestic product shrank 0.4% in the fourth quarter of the last year, following a rise of 0.3% recorded in the previous quarter. On a year-over-year basis, the Japanese economy contracted by 1.4%, hit by a slide in consumer spending. Moreover, separate reports suggested that Japan's industrial output fell more than initially estimated, while the tertiary industry activity index slipped for the second month in a row, pointing to a meltdown in the Japanese economy. Japan's industrial production declined more than expected in December, shedding 1.7% after a dip of 1.4% seen in November. At the same time, the gauge measuring business activity in the services sector eased by 0.6% in December, slightly better than November's reading. The market had projected a gain of 0.1%. Most analysts believe that the dollar-yen pair is set to continue its upward trajectory and close the trading week on a bullish note. However, the exchange rate also depends on the economic situation in the United States. This week, investors are looking ahead to the US inflation figures for any hints at further Fed action this year. ECB President Mario Draghi will deliver a speech on monetary policy at the European Parliament's Economic Committee in Brussels today. His remarks may affect the euro-dollar trade. This was Daily Financial News on Insta TV. See you back later. Bye.